Hello and welcome to the Hype Math channel. My name is Miss Math, and in today's video I will be going over one of the activities in our Thanksgiving activity books for kids. This is the Happy Thanksgiving Jigsaw Puzzle. As you can see on the left hand side that is the complete picture, and then on the right hand side students have all of the puzzle pieces that they need in order to put this puzzle together. So I will give an example, and yes, the pieces are movable. This is our digital book that is interactive. And what does digital book mean, you ask? It means that students are able to access this book on a laptop or desktop device so that they complete the activities. All right, and wrong piece, as you can see, students are able to, that's the wrong one. Here we go. Students are able to interlock the pieces together. And that's it. If you would like to grab a copy for your student below, just so that you can have fun, engaging activities for them to do during the holiday break, the link will be below for you to purchase yours today. My name is Miss Math, and I will talk to you later.